What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks here with Bosco, guys.
What's up, y'all?
We are in Santa Clarita, checking out the Santa Clarita Clearance Center. It's like, what's it, like 1 o'clock or something? So we're a little bit late, but it might be a good time for restocks. We'll see. Let's go see what's up. All right, we just got online, you guys. Little line situation. Let's see how long it takes to get in. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be that long. We'll see what happens. Hey, thanks, bro. All right, just got in. Yeah, it didn't wait more than 10 minutes, so not too bad. It is hot as hell outside, though. Yeah, let's see what we find, you guys. See what we find. All right, we're gonna start with this 10.5s and see what happens, you guys. Let's see what we see, guys. Got the Zoom Witness. Is that the original Witness? 40 bucks. Okay, remember there are no discounts and there are no returns here, you guys. But the prices are cheap, and supposedly nothing is over $100. So yeah, 40 bucks for those bad boys. Dude, got these aren't the Flight Paws, the Zoom Rookies. We saw these go for 200 at one of the other odds. I think it was like 20% off. Here they have been selling these for 100 bucks. There's racers, 89 racers going for 40 bucks. That's actually a pretty good price. Oh my goodness, yeah, this is definitely cheaper than any other place we've seen these. The Metcon 2 Flyknits. If you guys work out, if you guys lift weights, $30. That's ridiculous, because these I think started at what, 120, 130 or something. Damn. Vomeros going down for 40 bucks. Oh my goodness, that's hella cheap, dude. Right under that, the drop type premiums going for 40 bucks. Still in the size 10.5. Black History Month Chucks, you guys. $40 for these bad boys. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Kyrie 6s down to 60. So yeah, the Kyries are going down to the price they should be at here. Air Max 2 Lights going for 70. 720s going for 80 bucks. Still got these Shocks here. Still 80 bucks, a little bit high. More 720s. These are down to $80. The Uptempo 95s, $70 for those. Elements going for 60. 0.3s, why not? It's going for 60 bucks. Ambush, the Air Max 180s going for 70. Vapor Streets, $70. I remember these came out. People were hyping those up. React Terra Gobes, those you guys in the east, in the snow, perfects, $50 for those. Air Max Moors, man, these are funky looking, 80 bucks. All right, checking out the size 10s now. The Knicks colorway of the Flight Posits. Oh, I think this we found the other box. That's funny, because we just found some Zoom Rookies in the Flight Posit box. That's funny. 100 bucks for these bad boys. I think that other one said 100 bucks, so that's the price for these. John Elliott's go for 100 bucks. Ooh, the Cortezes, the Dimension 6. This is the Dog Days pack, one of the original, I think the original prototypes of the Nike signs. So yeah, 50 bucks for these bad boys. The leather is like, it's like the softest leather you've ever seen in your life, you guys. These are just hella crazy. But yeah, 50 bucks. PGs, what these going for? 50 bucks, yep. Okay, it looks like the PGs are consistently 50 bucks here. That's pretty much the price we've seen at the retail shop. So that's good that they're kind of following. These go for 70. I can't believe these are still 70. These have been here for a year. They've come and gone and come and gone and come again, I guess. The Daybreaks, 40 bucks for these. Ooh, those are dope, man. Dang. LeBron's going to $80. That's cool, because it's cheaper than most other spots that we've seen these. Then PG4s, we're seeing a lot of PG4s here. Yeah, all going for 50 bucks. That's pretty dope. Size 11s, you guys. I think I could wear size 11s on certain shoes. So yeah, let's look. Mars 270s. I know some people are fans of these. 70 bucks. Colorway not bad on these. Kind of totally reminds me of the Fire Red 5 thing. $40 for these Vapor Wings, specifically for tennis. Soldiers going for 60 bucks, purple colorway. I have this extra bright orange colorway, same price, same size. Pegasus Turbos going for 80 bucks. Janowski Mids, and these go for 20 bucks. Holy crap. This is all suede too, man. Too bad I'm not into them. If I did, I would definitely get them. Dang. More Mars 270s, 70 bucks for these. Got some IDs here. Oh, okay, 100 bucks for these. Turbos, Pegasus Turbo 2s. They do remind us all sales are final here, you guys. Got the Manoas. Oh man, if they had this my size, I probably would pick it up. This is so perfect, dude. $40 for these? What's the normal? Oh, normally 90, so down to 40. They have a bunch in size 12 too. These are so dope. I would definitely pick these up if they have my size. Dang. Still in the size 12. Do have these aerospace 720s. Never seen this colorway, black and blue. Dang, $100. If you ever got mocks, seen these in a couple different sizes. $80. This is like the salmon colorway. I was like, what's this UNC? There's like actually UNC stuff on it. The free trainer 8s, $50 for these. Okay. Guess they got plenty of those. All size 12s, going for $80. Pegasus Turbos. The ballin' on a budget colorway of the Air Max Tailwind 4s, going for $70. Not really much, you guys. Not really much. I feel like the clearance center hasn't had that much lately. But it's always worth the gamble, though. It's always worth the gamble. Size 13 for the big feet gang right here. Let's see what we find. Got some Vandal High Supremes. Kind of interesting because it's like a paper quality on the outside. It's like, we saw these here a while back. The silhouette actually is kind of dope. I kind of do like the Vandals. But yeah, these were quick strike, dang. Normally $110 down to $50, dang. Pegasus 36 going for $50. No, these are more the Vandal Highs. These are going for $60 as well. Interesting colorway. This one, I think the outside looks a little bit better. I got the old school look. These are pretty dope. One of these, the Jordan, the Diamond Mids going for $40. This suede is pretty freaking dope. I'm not a huge fan of the color though. The Bruin, the NBA ones. Oh, okay. Damn, that's dope. This is a Nike SB too. More of the aerospace right here. Probably $100 for these. Yeah, sorry, but not much, you guys. Kind of like every other size, to be really honest. 9.5s, and we're gonna go to the smaller size. See what's up. Air Force Max lows. These are TB colorway. Team Bank go for $60. What is this? I couldn't figure out what this is. Joyride. Oh, the CC setters. Okay, that's an interesting look. Kind of a Hirachi. Oh, okay. Go for $100. Plenty of PG 4s going for $50. Plenty of Soldiers going for $60. 720s going for $80. Why not 0.3s? 9.5 going for $60. The Nike SB Team Classic Premiums go for $35. And that suede looks really good. Got some Jordans, Jordan Generation 23s. Kind of similar to the Jordan 20s with the little weird strap mechanism up top. Okay. Go for $70. In the size 9 now, we got these 720 818s go for $80. It's an interesting colorway. Not bad, not bad. A little bright, but not too bad. Definitely stands out. You got the, what are these? The Spiridon Cage 2s going for $60. Then I got some extra bright sample cleats. No, whose is this? This is somebody's. This is somebody's. I don't know whose it is. Oh, it's Algeria's team. That's pretty dope. Okay, $60 for those. I have a feeling these should go for way more. You got these Tailwinds going for $70. What are these? Air Nasus, the ACGs going for $50. That's kind of interesting. LeBron 16 Oreo colorway, $100. Why is that so high? That's just, man. Pricing is definitely up and down here. Got the 8.5 Zoom rookies, $100. John Elliott's $100 for these. Got some Nike. That's some Nike ID stuff. Oh, these are some frees. Man, ain't nobody want those. $60 for those. We got plenty of these here. Plenty of sizes. The Converse Black History Month Chucks go for $40. Size 8. We're just not finding much, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. 720s go for $80. Flightposite 2s, $100. Metcons, $70 for these. Custom React with the lightning on it, $50. Oh, that's a pretty good find actually. Well, yeah, not finding much, dude. Yeah, let's go find some other section to look at. I'm wearing some Dunks, Nike Dunk Lows. You guys, I actually got these here. I think I paid like $40 for them. They're kind of dirty. Suede, I'm trying to figure out how to clean the suede. But yeah, super, super dope. I think these are the Ice Shot Wear pink ones. Freaking dope. And yeah, just wearing sweats. Turned out, it started off really cold this morning and then now it's like hot. So yeah, I did just have a regular t-shirt on. All right, we're on the women's section, guys. Look at this. What is this? An Air Force One. This is a size 8 in the women's section. Air Force One Upstep Premium. Never even heard of these. Normally goes for $130 down to $60. $60, dude. Got like a snakeskin vibe to it. That's just hella interesting, you guys. $60 for these, not bad. I actually do have a couple of these. Got these Jordan Deltas. Going for $60, okay. Size 8. Air Max 97s, going for $80. 720s going for $80. Visions, React Visions going for $60. Size 7s for the women. Cortez going for $35. And the women's section is better than the guys, dude. Got these Air Max 97s going for $70.
Other questions, bro?
More size 7s, Air Max 90s going for $80. Dude, these Air Max 97s are freaking dope. These are dope as hell with that camo right there. Go for $80. Air Max 720s going for $80. Vomeros down to $60. Women's section better than the guys, you guys, by far. This is a size 6.5, $40 for these Air Max 95s. Oh, the size 7 is super small. This is size 7.5 now. $80 for these Air Max 98s. More 720s. I love this colorway, dude. 818, 720s going for $80. Dang, the women's section way better than the guys. React Visions going for $60. JDI Air Force One highs going for $50. Dang, okay. Air Max 95s going for $70. This is size 7. More size 7s, $80 for these. Got plenty of these going for $80. Got a 270 React. Okay, that's a hell of an interesting colorway. Going for $80. Another Air Max 98 going for $80. Let's try one more size in the women's. We're gonna see what's going on with the size 9, both the right and the left here. I think it's size 9. Oh, the right's 9.5 now. Let's see what's up. Waffle Racers going for $40. Dang, the women's pricing and he's just way better than the guys. Holy crap. More Vomeros, different colorway going for $60, I believe. Air Max 95s going for $70. So yeah, the Air Max 720s right here going for $80. Tailwinds, even the Tailwinds are better colors than the guys. $70 for these. $80 for these Air Max 95s. Super comfortable full-length EXP 14s going for $50. What are these? These are the Epic Flyknit 2s going for $70. They are doing a restock. I just saw them bring stuff over. Kind of curious to see what they have. Let's see. Alright, same old, nothing good. I was gonna wrap it up in the women's. They do have these, the size 10s, you guys, the double stacked. These just came out a couple months ago. These were $250 when they came out. $100, dude. That one's a little bit bright. I like the all black one. Pretty dope. And I did check the size 12s. I didn't see anything worth buying. Size 12, which is a 10.5 in men's. Didn't see anything good. Wasn't it like cold as hell when we left the house this morning? And now it's like freaking, what the hell? And now it's like hot as hell. And took my hat off, took my fucking sweater off. Bro. What the hell? But yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much about it, you guys. Yeah, that was pretty dope. He ended up getting a couple things for his members. Like they had some sweatshirts and stuff. I didn't really cover too much because I don't know. I feel like I've covered the apparel the last few times. So yeah, but they did have some dope deals. That was pretty dope. More in the apparel section. The sneakers kind of up and down. But to be honest, if you find something super dope, like some Jordans and something like that, they're going to be under $100 because they don't have anything over $100. The selection, I think, is definitely a lot better than the regular outlets. So I definitely think it's a mixed bag, definitely up and down. Right. So, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, check out Bosco's channel because he does do pickups. I'm still getting people asking me if I do pickups. That's why I swear to God, every other video I've been trying to say, hey, I don't do pickups. But yeah, go ahead, check out Bosco. He does do pickups, have a membership program, stuff like that. So make sure you guys go check out his channel. You'll probably end up subscribing and stuff because you'll like his videos. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. See you guys next one. Peace.